Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another unboxing for you. But before I show you what I'm going to be unboxing, I just wanted to make a note that I am recording this entire video on my GoPro Hero 8 Black, just to compare it to my Lumix G7 to see, which one looks better or how good the GoPro would actually work as a studio cam. Now, with that being said, the unboxing we're going to be doing today is going to be the Rode Wireless Go. So, without any delay, let's hurry up and open this up because I'm very excited to play with this. Okay, so here you have it. This is the Rode Wireless Go. And for those of you who don't know, it is a wireless microphone system. One side hooks to your camera, the other side connects to your body somewhere, and it has a built-in microphone, but it also can be connected to a lav mic or a lavalier mic, go up around your collar or somewhere like that. And you would use this as to have a microphone on you without physically being attached to a camera. Frees you up and gives you a lot of flexibility for moving around and such. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you're curious, this does retail on Amazon for about $199, and I will leave a link to this in my description below. 3D printing knife. And there you go. It's got the simple instructions on the top of the box. What side goes to the camera, what side goes to the person. On this side of the box, it just gives you what each of the LED means and the location of like the power button and the USB, where the microphone is. So it's just a little map, I guess, to your product. And these are attached in here somehow. Pull this out. Okay, they just clipped on the back. That would have been real nice if I snapped those clips off before I even got to use this. So here's the two different sides. I'm not sure exactly which one is the transmitter and the receiver. I guess the instructions would tell me. The one with the screen is the camera side, which makes sense, so you can monitor battery power and all that stuff. And then this is the side that you can plug in your microphone to, and that would actually be worn on your person. Okay, we'll set those over here. Now in the box, it comes with your cord, a little microphone cord. You get a couple of wind muffs, and if you can look, your microphone's here, and you got these two little clip mounts on each side. And that's how this wind muff goes on, so it would just snap right on the top to give you to block all that awful wind noise for you. So that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that. You have just your normal FCC information, useless paper, as I say, and then you have a cool little, feels like neoprene and Velcro carrying case that you can keep your microphone set tidy and hidden away. So pretty cool setup. I'm really dying to use this. Had a hard time justifying this purchase because I always tell my wife, oh, I got everything I need, it's going to be a while before I have to buy something else. And then I see something like this, in which I've seen it for a while, but I just finally found the means to justify buying it, so now I have it. But you get the microphone set, you get the neoprene carrying case, a microphone cord, and two dead cats, I guess you could say, or wind blockers, wind muffs. You have a cord for charging, which is a USB-C to USB, and you have a second cord, one for each unit. and that's what you get for $200. And it's a really nice set. I've seen a lot of good reviews on it. Even the little built-in microphone sounds really nice, really good. But I did buy a lavalier mic, which for $200 you got this set, but it's also included this microphone as well. Whatever company I bought from is packaging the two together. So I'll probably do an unboxing of this later. But yeah, this is the Rode Wireless Go. Cannot wait to use it. Okay, so this was a really quick unboxing. There wasn't a whole lot to it. You know, just for intents and purposes, I just like unboxing things and showing you how they're boxed, how they're packaged, what I'm getting to add to my channel, and just to be able to share this with you guys. With that being said, if you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.